I want to show you how I use ChatGPT to do some tasks that I really don't want to do and I wouldn't do given how much time it would take. For instance, I have been doing some research on some keywords and I want to put them into a doc. And if I look at the doc here, you can see I already formatted a few. Here's the topic, MCA debt collection, keywords that would go with it. Let me go back here, and if I wanted to choose this, how to get out of MCA loans, it only has 2 keywords. That's easy to format. But let's say I had this one, merchant cash loans, and it has 75 keywords. All right, I copy, and then I go to my doc and I put it in here. Now I have to format it. Forget it, I'm just not gonna do it. However, I can go to ChatGPT and select the GPT 3.5 because it's for basic everyday tasks, as it says. If I used GPT-4, you can see it has a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours, and I want to use those 25 messages for other things that are more difficult for 3.5. So I want ChatGPT to format this big list. So this is all I'm going to do. Create a list from these words and do not use any formatting. That's important to say. Colon, paste, enter. There it is. It was that fast. If I use the little copy, I go over to my doc and I paste it in. Let me go pageless so I don't see these page breaks. Pageless. There we go. So now I can take this and make it a numbered list. Just like that.